Okay guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and attempt to do a DIY body lava highlighter. I saw Riri's body lava and it looks so pretty until I saw the price. So what I'm gonna do today is, I saw this on Facebook. I was tagged by one of my friends, Erica, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this. We're gonna go ahead and get some baby oil and a highlighter of your choice. So for today I'm going to go ahead and use a Wet n Wild one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and crush up the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a little knife and crush it up. Okay, once I've broken it up, I'm going to go ahead and insert what I broke into a spoon, and then from the spoon I'm going to go ahead and put it inside the oil. We're gonna have to put both the gel. It does make a mess, so beware. So I think that should be enough. I put about this much inside, so let's go ahead and mix it up. So you see it's going, but I'm gonna go ahead and crush up more, and I'm gonna go ahead and crush the highlighter a little more small, because you can see bits and pieces where I cut the highlighter, and it's not dissolving. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some more and smaller. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the whole highlighter. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cover it up. Okay, so as you can see, there is the gel with the highlighter inside it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep mixing it. I think we should be good with this already. So here's what it looks like. I'll get it in better lighting. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I'll go ahead and test it on my arm. It's a little rough, but let's see how it looks. Looks okay. It gives some glow off, but not a lot. Let's see if we can shake it more and see what we get. It's left of the pan. As you can see, I already crushed up as much as I could. I'm going around the edges, grabbing as much as I can. Beware, because it does make a huge mess once you're cutting the highlighter. Okay, so we see, so now it's more gold and stuff like that. I mean, it's been gold already, but the thing is, we want it to be gold in our body. So let's go ahead and give it a try, see how it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like coming out of the bottle, and it still has chunks of highlighter, so you're just gonna have to like actually crush them on your hand. You have to, while you're crushing the highlighter, you have to crush it very, very finely, because like I said, you are gonna get pieces. and this is what it looks like right now. This ended up looking real nice. Alright guys, this is the finished look. This is our DIY body lava right here. If you guys would like to see more videos of these, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below if more DIY stills you would like for me to try. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye!